First day was, I mean, every day was awesome. And the second day was a lot of improv stuff, which I've never done before. I thought it was super cool. I might go home and take an improv class now just because of that, because I never got to experience that before. And then, today with the third day, just going over the voiceover stuff was an eye-opener, because I do the voiceover stuff, or I thought I was doing it, great, and, maybe I was, but now it's like a whole new thing, and I have a whole new outlook on it now. Well, when I get back in 2 weeks from now, I set up an appointment with one of my clients that I have coming up in January, so in about 8 weeks or so. And I'm doing her wedding and his wedding, so my goal is to sit down with them in the next couple of weeks here and interview them, just like Bill taught me in this class, and go from there, and put together something special for them, and hopefully not just one special thing at their reception, but multiple things, and make it a journey throughout the night, and an experience for all their guests, versus just, hey, I'm at a wedding, you know what I mean? So that's what I'm really excited about. Bite the bullet, do it. It's well worth it. If you're looking to take your events to a whole new level, this is for you. It was definitely worth the time and money. Not to mention, you get to hang with, all these great people that are, in the workshop with you. Hey, Rob, what's up? And, you get to hang with Bill and get to go out to dinner. And, if you come here, go to the Mall of America, check that out. And networking on top of, not just networking though, but networking with awesome professionals that are trying to do the same thing you're trying to do. If you're looking to really just make it happen, this is gonna be for you, because this is just gonna totally transform your events, and I believe it definitely 100% is gonna do that. And because of that, you're gonna make more money in the end, and you're gonna enjoy doing it, because every weekend you're not gonna be doing the same thing. You're gonna be doing something new, and it's just gonna be fresh and just fun, and I'm just really excited about it.